Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye.
Hey bougie babe, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute kinky straight wig. This hair is brought to you by Unice hair company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a few goodies for Christmas, which was a wig bag, some wig caps, as well as some eyelashes, some elastic bands, and also some Christmas cards. This unit is a 26-inch, 13x4 lace transparent unit. When I tell you this lace is gorgeous, she is gorgeous. I love the texture of this unit. It is a kinky straight wig with a detachable elastic band for extra security. So we are going to bleach the knot. So I got my 50 volume developer and quick blue powder and put a drop of that Adore Rich eggplant. Mix that together to create a nice thick consistency. This unit we are going to spray with some hairspray. I'm using the Kendra's, I forgot, but it's a generic hairspray that I got from Sally's, and it's very extra holds, like almost as strong as Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray. Spray that hairline, comb it back, and apply that bleach. I let this bleach sit for over an hour. I tried to over bleach it a little bit just because this hair is super thick and I want the hairline to look as natural as possible. And as you can see with that white cloth, that hairline looks very good already, but we are going to go in with our hot comb and pluck this hairline all the way back, just so this hairline can be very seamless. I love doing this method. It is the Arrogant Tay method with the white towel. I did change up a little bit on my plucking method, and this is where I actually pluck all the way back into the tracks, just so it can have a more natural and realistic hairline. And this works really good, especially if your wig units are very thick and it's very hard to tell like it has a natural hairline when the hair is super thick and black. But after I finished plucking this unit, I then went ahead and straightened it. So I'm just gonna finish this out for y'all. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I do pluck into a widow's peak, so that's why this unit looks a little bit like triangular, because I just like the widow's peak look. So as you can tell, in the front it's more pointed and then the temples are more thinned out. And then now we're going to go ahead and straighten this unit. This is the natural curl pattern of this unit. We're going to use the She Silk Infusion Serum. We're going to put very little, and I apply that to the wig on each section. And after applying the serum, I do use some clips to hold each section back. This is gonna help me work better in smaller sections. Using a tiny hot comb on this wig did not work for me at all, you guys. Like, I had to bust out the big body straightener. I feel like the big body straighteners helps with the kinky straight wigs, just because, you know, the kinky straight wigs, it's our type of texture, y'all, so we need something heavy duty. But as you can see, it's getting very straight and it just looks gorgeous. I really like this texture straightened out. It just feels like my natural hair, and look at the shine on it. It looks very natural. So now we're going to go ahead and install this unit. I went ahead and applied the wig cap, and at the end of the video, I don't think I show it, but I actually removed my wig cap because it was just too it was showing too much. So yeah, here I'm using the Even Black Can Spray. We're just gonna apply that to our hairline. Don't forget to cut the ear tabs off first. I feel like cutting the ear tabs off first actually makes the wig lay better around your ears than so if you do it after applying the glue or spray. And as you can see, now we laid it down with our elastic band and we are parting our unit. I love a good deep side part, y'all. Like, any chance I get, I just have to do this side part. It just looks gorgeous and makes me look a little younger, okay? So now I'm gonna take my wax stick and we're gonna hot comb our hairline back and down just so it can lay as flat as possible on our hair. And then after that, we are ready to remove this lace. But of course, I'm gonna play some music because you already know the deal, how I install my units, and I'm gonna come back to you at the end of the video.
Yeah, empty bottles of red wine laying on the floor from last night. We got a little drunk, yeah. Now I'm a little numb. Spending hours by your bedside, talking till it's dark out somehow. Can get you off my mind. Don't wanna say goodbye, bye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. I don't really know anymore how to be more than your friend. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go all in. Early mornings in your dome, I be sneaking out the door while the sun rises. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, can't tell another lie. And baby, I know you want more than this, but you know I can't afford your kiss. So I'm staying for the night, but then I gotta say goodbye, bye, bye. Maybe we should take it slow. I don't feel too comfortable jumping into something new right now. I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared of falling. Don't wanna go.
So this is the final result. I really loved how this unit turned out, especially because I was real lazy today with applying this unit and it still laid perfectly. I want to thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Falling, and I really don't know how to feel again. Yeah, I don't really know anymore how to feel something again. Think I'm just scared.